Hi, let's take a look at this Platinum Coach Cadillac XT5 Phoenix S. So take a look at the interior here and you'll see the difference between the standard Phoenix and the Phoenix S. It has the signature lighting. There's a lot more LED lights inside. You see the nice wall sconces and the different urn walls on the coach. This one is equipped with the nice XTS burl floor with your titanium interior. So this coach is equipped with the built-in urn carrier. As you can see, large enough to fit a baby casket. Also will do the regular round urn or go as wide as the double marble urn. You also have this nice bumper protector carpet. Protects the back of the coach from being damaged by the church truck or if a casket happens to fall on the bumper. So as you can see, the Phoenix S has your nameplate brackets on the door. So you can put your funeral home name on there. Has the nice umbrella storage area. This one is equipped with a closed flip lid church truck area. Very easy to flip it up. Give your directors or driver plenty of room to get the church truck on there. Stand it up or lay it down. Close the lid and you have your full casket floor space available. So let's take a look at the interior of the XT5. You can see this coach is pre-wired for strobes, meaning your switches here, the wiring is all run down and coiled up under the hood nicely. We've started up, simple push button starter. And you can see on your display screen that you will have your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, all your needed items. It also has the backup camera built into it. Good size. Also tells you your depth of when you're backing up. So some nice options on this Phoenix is the pillar chrome that you can see here and here. Just adds a little bit of class to the coach itself. Your coach lights, your polished crown band. As we move along the back of the coach here, you'll see it does have the load door stainless. Just dresses up the load door a little bit. Looking to get some more information on this coach? Give us a call at 1-800-229-5008, or you can get us on the web at www.parkssuperior.com. Thank you.